Coloring with Rutaba.
Hello everyone, it's Rutaba and welcome to the Coloring with Rutaba channel. Today we are going to draw a girl washing her hands. Let's start coloring. I color the bathroom sink with black. I use blue for the cold water and red for the hot water. Let's use the colors of the rainbow. Red like this. Then I use orange, yellow, then light green, dark green, light blue, dark blue. Then I use purple and last pink. I paint the stool green. For the girl skin, I use cream. And I use light red for her mouth. I color her hair with brown. And I use pink for her bows. And I use purple for her skirt. For the foam, I use light blue. I color the bathroom with the colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, dark green, light blue, I use light purple for the floor. And light blue for the background. Awesome! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.